On April 19th this year, the Ingenuity helicopter successfully performed the first powered aircraft flight on another planet. While in theory, this doesn't sound too exciting, it's important to realize that flying on Mars is very different from flying on Earth. The air on Mars is very thin, about 1% the pressure of Earth. This means that there is very little atmosphere for an aircraft to boost itself from. While the fact that Mars has about 1/3 of the Earth's gravitational pull does make it easier, it is still a difficult feat. To use the words of Ingenuity's project manager Mimi Aung, we now have our Wright brothers moment. But the first flight was just a stepping stone for future trips, a test to see just how capable the Ingenuity drone really is. In the coming months, several more trips are planned which are more and more ambitious. Moving up higher in altitude, about 5 meters, as well as traveling further. Ingenuity will give a third dimension view to exploring and mapping Mars. While no future Mars mission will likely carry drones, Ingenuity acts as a building block for a later mission in 2027, where Dragonfly is scheduled to launch to Saturn's largest moon, Titan, a moon so cold that it rains liquid methane on a regular basis.